Hello students, today we will see the experiment number 18. Experiment number 18, it is the DPSK. This is the observation table. You have to see the input signal, clock, differential encoded output, DPSK modulator output and DPSK demodulator output. Okay, so this is the kit for the differential PSK. Here it is the pattern. Okay, two patterns are available, P1 and P2. We will use any one. So we will use the P1 pattern. This P1 pattern which is given to the XOR gate. Okay, at the XOR output of XOR gate we are getting the signal B of t. This B of t which is given to the IC 1496 as a multiplier. Second input to this multiplier, it is the sine wave. So second input we are giving the sine wave. This is the sine wave. This sine wave which is given to the multiplier. At this output we are getting the DPSK signal. Okay, this one is a modulator, this one is a demodulator. Demodulator which is nothing but receiver. Modulator, this is the transmitter. So DPSK input which is given to the delay as well as it is given to the multiplier 1496. So this signal which is given to the two blocks. First one it is the delay of TB and second one it is a 1496 multiplier. Okay. So second input to this multiplier it is the delayed DPSK. So here we are getting the delayed DPSK signal. This delayed DPSK signal which is given to the second input to this 1496 multiplier. At this output we are getting the DPSK demodulator output. Okay, this one is a input signal pattern. Here we are getting the clock signal. Okay, next one differential encoded output which is nothing but your B of t signal. At the output of XOR gate we are getting the BT signal. This BT signal which is nothing but the differential encoded output. This one is a DPSK output and this one is a demodulator output. So we will see the one by one signal and we will draw the signal. Okay, so first one it is the pattern, that is the input signal. So this one is a pattern. So first one it is the input signal. So bit pattern P1 which is nothing but your input signal. So see the output of P1. So output of P1 which is nothing but your input signal. So you have to draw the P1 signal. This is nothing but your input signal. Okay, next one it is the clock signal. So see, this one is a clock. So you have to connect to the clock and see the output and you have to draw the clock signal. It is the high frequency square pulses. So you have to draw the clock pulses. Okay, so this one is a clock signal. Next one it is the differential encoded output. Next signal it is the differential encoded output which is nothing but your signal B of t. So see the output. This is the B of t, differential encoded output signal. Okay, so this is the B of t. Next one it is the DPSK output. This DPSK output which is nothing but your the signal with 0 degree and 180 degree phase shifted signal, and demodulator output which is nothing but your original signal we are getting the back. So DPSK modulator output. So next one it is the, this one is a DPSK modulator output which is nothing but your transmitter output. So here you have to see the DPSK signal. Okay, so we are getting the 0 degree and 180 degree phase shifted signal. बघा जिथं कटिंग पार्ट आहे, this is nothing but your DPSK signal output which is nothing but there is a phase shift of 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree ची phase shift आहे त्या प्रत्येक ठिकाणी. Okay, we will see one. So see here, this one is a 180 degree phase shifted signal. So we are getting the 0 degree and 180 degree phase shifted signal. So opposite sided signal which is started. So it is the 180 degree phase shifted signal. So see again, this one is a 180 degree phase shifted signal. Again 180 degree phase shifted signal. So we are getting the 0 degree and 180 degree phase shifted signal which is nothing but the DPSK output. So you have to draw 0 degree and 180 degree phase shifted signal. So you have to draw 0 and 180 degree phase shifted signal. So this is the DPSK output. Next one, it is the demodulator output. The receiver output, which is nothing but your demodulator output. Okay, so this one is a last output. So this one is a output signal. So this one is a DPSK receiver output, which is nothing but your DPSK demodulator output. We are getting the signal which is in the form of 1 and 0. So again you have to draw the signal which is in the form of 1 and 0. So this is the experiment number 18.